Okay, so I want to talk to you about 6A. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna record it and then I'll put it on YouTube just in case. Okay, so the big thing that you want to think about here is everybody's looking at it and like coming up with like crazy dimensions. I don't know how you're gonna get it either. I hope this is working. Like some people are saying like this is 1.5 or this is 1.5. Honestly, it's a hard thing to see. If you're right, you're right. I'm not going to dispute you if you're right, but I think you're making things a little more complicated. Okay. Right now, when I look at this, I see two shapes, and that's it. What do you think I see? Any ideas? What do you think I see? Yep. Right, I see two rectangles, okay? I see rectangle number 1 is 12 by 7. Okay, so that's a big one, the whole one, without actually, without taking in consideration the white one. I'm not looking at the white one yet. I just see a gigantic rectangle. So I'm thinking area equals length times width, and then equals 12 times 7 equals, yep, 84. 84 centimeters squared. Okay, so I see that. The next thing I see, and I'll go to red here, I'm going to chord, is this little guy, this one. So I see a little one, and that's it. So I see the little one inside the purple one. How I figure that one again? It's just another rectangle. Area equals length times width. Okay, because that square, what's my dimensions for this one? The little guy. The white one. Richard. 6 times 4. So 6 times 4 equals 24 centimeters squared. Okay? So now when I know both of them, all I'm going to do is I'm going to say for the total area, is 84 centimeters squared, subtract 24 centimeters squared. And that equals, yes, sir, 60 centimeters. Now, some of you, I know you got that answer. I know you did. And you know, I'm not going to dispute you that you're not right or wrong. The big thing that I want to point out, though, is that you don't have to make things so complicated. Like if you see like 1,000 shapes inside a very simple shape, don't calculate the 1,000 shapes. See something very simple. So you see a square and a rectangle and a rectangle, and that's it. If we want to go back to your textbook, like for this one, what do you see? What are two shapes that you see? Or sorry, simple shapes that you see. For this guy here, for B. Which ones do you see? Javier, what do you see?
A square and a bigger square.
A bigger square and a square. Awesome. And we know what the length and the width of this square is because of why? How do you know the lengths of? How do you know? Does anybody have any ideas? How do you know the lengths of this square here? You know the top is 8, but what's this side? What's this side? Yeah, Tyrese. It's what? Not going to be 10. That'll be 10. Now remember, what do the little lines mean? What do those little lines mean? Yeah. They're all equal sides, so it's 8 all the way around, which means for this little square, what is it? It's 2. So I got 2 shapes. That's it. I got 2 shapes. Don't make things complex. Okay? All right. By the way, this guy is hard, and I'm going to give you a hint. Everything is in centimeters except what? Yeah. Millimeters. Millimeters, centimeters don't jive. You have to either change the millimeters or you change centimeters. Okay.